Skylum's Luminar Neo is a novel photo editing app, which promises a significant performance improvement thanks to a new AI engine. Its repertoire of tools leverages creative photo editing, but you can also perform all the basic edits. In this video, let's see how it works. First, let's see the Relight AI feature. Relight AI provides intelligent control of overexposure in images. The artificial intelligence generates a 3D depth map by identifying objects and depth. It then selectively fixes the exposure while preserving contrast. Let's see some actual editing of this image. This image is a little dark, so we're going to edit. It is supposed to be a little moody. Let's bring some exposure up a little bit. And you can see that we've got a dandelion. Let's go down to the Relight tool, which is under Creative. We can adjust the brightness in the foreground or brightness near, and what this is going to do is bring up that dandelion in the foreground. You can also adjust the far brightness too, so whatever's in the background. You can also change where that point of depth is. We do have some advanced settings on this as well. I can control any hallowing I have in the image. We also have independent warmth balance. If you want to warm up the foreground, you can bring it up. If want to warm up the background, I can bring that up. Now let's see how it works on Remove Dust. Let's choose this photo, and you can see there are dust spots on the photos. Go to the Erase tool, click the Remove Dust Spots button. Wow, great! You can see that the dust spots are removed from the photo. Remove power lines on image, also a great feature in Luminar Neo. You can see some samples on its page. Now, let's show some edit samples. You can see there are some power lines in the image. Let's go to the Erase tool, and there are two options to choose: Remove Power Lines and Remove Dust Spots. Let's go with Remove Power Lines. Boom, they are gone. And next, let's see the Portrait Bokeh Eye. You can quickly adjust the face, skin, eyes, and body effects as you want. Of course, the sky replacement also available in Luminar Neo. You can quickly replace the sky with clicks. I think Luminar Neo is easy to use and powerful enough to help you remove dust spots, change the background of an image, or relight a photo, and there's human AI that makes photo editing easier if you're a beginner. Luminar Neo will be released this winter, and you can pre-order it now for the lowest price. If you own another version of Luminar or Aurora HDR, you can get it with a special loyalty discount. Follow the link in the description to pre-order, and you'll get your money back within 30 days of the product shipping.